Probably because of its distance from the Philippines, plus strict visa rules, where I'm at right now was just a dream destination then. Welcome to Switzerland! Honestly, as soon as I reached Lucerne, I got tears in my eyes because never thought that Switzerland's gonna be this expensive. But let us put the price tag behind us for now and enjoy the magnificent views this medieval city has to offer. First up, let's explore our hotel. I chose Hotel Astoria Lucerne because it's the cheapest one available during the time of booking, that is nearest the train station, and that has great reviews. And I'm really happy I booked this hotel because they have a really comfortable bed, nice bathroom, I can put my things here, towels, and I wonder what this is. Oh great, there's a safe, minibar, and excellent daily breakfast. Kumuha ako sa buffet table para pambaon mamaya sa pag-iikot. Lucerne is a city located in central Switzerland, well known for its medieval architecture and the picturesque Lake Lucerne. As mentioned earlier, it can be really expensive here in Switzerland. That's why a visit at the information center can be helpful in finding out the most cost-effective way to go around the city. And another important tip is,
kapag alam mong mahal yung mga bilihin sa bansa na pupuntahan mo, kung anong giveaways kukunin mo. May namimigay kanina or snack. So what we are doing right now is that we are following this DIY walking tour map, which I got from the Tourist Information Center at the main train station. So this one will take about, sabi mga 2.5 hours daw, but for me it's gonna be longer kasi may nag-stop over ako, dami kong videos at ang dami kong drama sa mga videos ko. So once you reach here in Lucerne, kumuha kayo ng map na to para makatipid so that you don't need to pay for any walking tours. Behind me is the Chapel Bridge, isa sa mga famous landmarks dito sa Lucerne. This was constructed during the first half of 14th century.
KAPELLBRÜCKE, which literally means Chapel Bridge, is the oldest wooden covered bridge in Europe, which also serves as Lucerne's symbol. The bridge is unique from the other wooden bridges in Europe because of its interior paintings from the 17th century. There were 3 main bridges in Lucerne, but only 2 are still standing. The Chapel Bridge and the one that you are looking right now, the SPREUER Bridge.
Dito pala wag kayo masyadong nga kasi maraming mga flying things. Hindi ko alam kung ano sila. Hindi naman sila langaw, pero lumilipad-lipad na maliliit.
Maybe because of the huge bodies of water surrounding Lucerne. But the fountains in Lucerne all carry clean tap water, very suitable for drinking. One of the things that I like doing in Lucerne is to just sit on a bench, adore the view around me, watch the birds, and make new friends, like with this little cutie. Next in our tour is Lucerne's old town wall. It has 9 towers where some of them are open for public, and we'll be climbing one of them right now.
From here, going up there, then we're going up there. Let's go up, 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 up. Oh wow, look at that. Hello, Lucerne. That's the main train station. And now we're going up. Let's see what's upstairs. Ito yung tower na pinasukan natin. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. try and catch a yacht cruise trip, which will be for about an hour. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ng damit ko ang lamig ngayon. So, nakasando na ako. Then, one long sleeves, then my jacket. Then, yung pants ko, merong leggings inside. Pero still, pumapasok pa rin yung lamig. So, wish me luck later. About the country Switzerland, what comes into your mind? First thing that comes into your mind, diba, you'll think about the Swiss Alps and of course chocolates. Sobrang daming chocolates dito because apparently sobrang dami ring cows dito.
Oh God, this is heaven!
Huge cocoa.
But for me, I prefer to buy them from a nearby supermarket because I'm on a budget and it's a lot cheaper there. Yay, happiness!
Seriously scratch resistant. Seriously, you're so expensive. May nakita akong church. Sana Catholic to. Well, I think Catholic church siya. Before tayo umuwi, let's give thanks dito sa 14 days na masayang trip tsaka safe na trip.
But are your adventures not stopping here yet? Part 2 of my Switzerland trip and the highlight of my Euro trip is up